Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I'm in Burlington and I just seen a few Valentine's Day stuff that I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It's not much of anything else in here. I didn't see anything else like as far as Christmas and stuff like that. So anyway, look at these. This is 11. This is 13. That's cute. The little heart trees. 6 for the little one, 9 for the bigger one. I wanted to get this. Riley told me not to get it. I think it's cute though. I don't know. I think I might still get it. The one I seen yesterday, I think it had white in it at the other location, but that's 13. These little ladies right here are 11. It's the red one and the pink one. They have the little Christmas, the trees. Those are 15. Look at that one with the cute little bow. These. $10. Oh, that one. It's a little dress. This one is like a little onesie, is it? Yeah. More little trees. The chocolate strawberry dip. And this one. 7 and 9 for that. That's some candles, berry dreams, and sweet bloom. These are 5. This candle is 7. Look at the cherries candle, that's 7. This one has a little heart. What scent is it? Oh, it just says studio scented. 7, pink watermelon. These are like Christmas slashing over into Valentine. That's cute. And I saw something else. Those nutcrackers can actually be used for Valentine's Day too. Look at these right here. 9. Some more little flowers. These are so cute. Oh, look at this one for 9. That's cute. We're going to take a slow turn. I'm trying to figure out which way to turn, but I don't see any people. The strawberries. Always red. The cute heart are a perfect day. These are 7. They also have, oh, these are cute. The Juicy Coutures. And look at these, strawberry guava or berry cake. That cute little, the hearts around it, always red. Cotton candy, $8 for this one. Let's see, always red. What's this? Blackberry sangria, pink clouds and onyx, vanilla goddess, guava berry. I think these are for Christmas. They're sweet vanilla body washes. These are 10. Those could go for Valentine's too, for the baskets. Cherry blossom scented candle, and this one is berry guava. I love you, berry guava. What's that? Vanilla espresso mousse, hair and body mist, sugar berry pie. Those are 7. I think they have those in the wrong spots, but it's all right. Always red. All right, let's go see. I think I did see some bathroom mats and stuff that are really cute. This is cute. A cute daily planner for $7. Chariots. Be still. This is gonna be a short vlog. Like I said, I just want to show y'all the Valentine stuff that I see popping up. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ooh, those black chairs are nice. Okay. Let's see. I think I did see some V-Day pillows. We did see these weighted pillows. Oh, we didn't see these. The hearts. We did see these weighted pillows the last time. All right. Mirrors. Uh-oh. Get the kisses pillows. Those are 10. Look at those. Those are 50 for the abstract. So pretty. These are 5. These are 5. Ooh, set of 2 wine glasses for 10. These are cute. The hearts, cocktail glasses. Those are 10. And that one. Ooh, I like this one, right? This one too. These are cute with the bows on them. Let's see. I think these are 10 too. Yep, those are 10. And it's a set of 2 with the flower. And I saw one more with the heart. I actually picked this one up. These are cute. I didn't see the other bow ones. Now I'm tempted to get those too. These are 10. That's cute. I like the print on this one. I think this one is 15. Yep, 15. Oh, look, they have some of the V-Day quotes. That is 30. Let's see, 50. I see some more on this end cap right here. The Juicy Couture with the leopard. That pink is cute. Nanette Lepore. That blanket is 60. All right. Comforter sets. And look at these. We saw some of the Valentine mats the other day, but these are by Betsy Johnson too. 13. And you see, we did see this one with the locks on it. And the hearts. And cherries. No, that one. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for clicking on the video and browsing around with me. I hope y'all enjoyed. I just wanted to show y'all what I saw in here quickly for Valentine. We're going to come back and scoop out some of the Christmas stuff too. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.